Okay, everyone. Today, I want to quickly show you the live, real payment proof of receiving money from the Anglo-American website. You can see I currently have 320 rupees in my account. I will show you this amount by withdrawing from my IME Pay account. Watch the video carefully until the end, and if you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's start. I had made a 320 rupees withdrawal request on January 14, 2024 at 9:49 a.m., and it was successfully processed after some time. After waiting for some time, I received a transaction notification on my mobile phone confirming that the payment has been successfully sent to your account. As you can see, I have successfully received the funds in my IME Pay wallet at 2024-01-14, 10:41 a.m.
Options.
By investing a 500 in copper plan provides a unique opportunity for urban and industrial growth. With a daily income of Rs50, equivalent to a 10% return, you can automatically earn 1,500 over the 30-day investment period. Withdrawals are available once your balance reaches Rs300. This plan helps you make money every day and has the possibility of giving you a lot of profit in the end. When you sign up on this website and invest 500 rupees in the copper plan, the investor welfare plan is automatically activated. You will receive a daily free earning income of 30 rupees, entirely free of charge, for a 90 days of period time. Once your account balance reaches 300 rupees, you can easily withdraw your earnings using Nepali digital wallets like Khalti and Esewa within 24 hours.
Let's talk about the tutorial on depositing money on the Anglo-American website. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of making an online transaction on the Anglo-American website. To get started, click on the Plans option and choose a plan such as Copper. Then invest 500 rupees by clicking on Buy and review the investment details. Next, select Save for Payment and click Buy Now. Copy the username and bank account number from the interface. Open your mobile banking application to send money. After opening the mobile banking application, fill the bank account details information and paste the copied username and bank account number into the designated fields. Then proceed to click on Confirm Payment. After successfully transferring funds, don't forget to take a screenshot or download the transaction statement. Return back to the website, upload the payment voucher or statement, and click on Confirm Payment. Go to the More option, check the activated order in the My Order option. After clicking on My Order to see the list of activated orders. If you only see one activated order, like this, which shown in the screen, then your plan isn't activated. Now to activate your investment plan, you need to go to the Payment Record option. Then enter your full name, and all you need to do is just upload the transaction statement a few moments ago, which you have transferred money from mobile banking app. Finally, return to My Order. Please wait for some time until the payment for your plan order is processed by the admin. After some time, visit the My Order option to check if your plan has been activated or not. If you see two activated plans like this same on the screen, then your plan has been successfully activated and earnings started to begin. Here is the proof. You can see that my earnings have begun successfully. When I joined, I had a 50 rupees bonus in my account, and now, after investing 500 rupees, my daily earnings have increased to 160 rupees. When you invite others to join the program, you make money based on a percentage of the deposits they put in. You get 20% from those you directly refer, 3% from the referrals made by your referred individuals, and 2% from the referrals made by those second-level referrals. The more people you bring in and the more deposits they make, the more money you can earn. Click on the Bank Account option to add withdrawal details, such as your Khalti numbers, along with your username. You can also join the official Telegram group of this website using the provided link. You can increase your earnings by sharing the link with your friends or others. If they sign up using your link and make a deposit, you'll earn a commission.
Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, feel free to show some love. Like, share with friends. Drop your thoughts in the comments box, and don't forget to hit the subscribe bell icon for upcoming free cash earning videos. Have a great day, and once again, thank you for your supports.